costs everywhere, from power bills to clothing. It feels like everything is eating away at your wallet. But what if I told you you could save on energy and extend the life of your clothes? In today's LG Lab, I'm going to show you how LG's heat pump dryer technology can help you save energy, extend the life of your clothes, and put money back in your pocket. You may not know it, but LG has been making heat pump solutions for 40 years, and we're really good at it. We manufacture HVAC systems, water heaters, clothes dryers, and more. In fact, we've been making heat pump dryers in the US for over a decade. Today, I'm going to show you how LG is breaking the mold with quiet, efficient, and low-maintenance technology that dries faster than ever. Let's see what LG is doing to make LG heat pumps the best you can get. Traditional dryers act like a blow dryer to superheat clothes and then vent hot air outside. This means your clothes dry like they're in an oven, which can damage many types of fabric. And you have to make sure you have a vent to get rid of that air. It then takes in cool air and in the process starts all over again. How do our inverter heat pump systems work? Our latest technology uses single or dual inverter compressors, optimizing refrigerant flow for energy efficiency and shorter drying times.
Unlike previous ventless dryers, LG heat pump dryers only add on 20% of drying time to the standard load.
It's not just efficient, it's simple to explain. The dryer gently warms air to around 130 degrees Fahrenheit, so your clothes stay soft. Moisture is captured in this dry air and condensed on a chilled evaporator. Then water is sent down the drain, and the air is reused for more energy efficiency. And by the way, LG heat pumps do their best to help keep themselves clean, but they do need a little occasional TLC. Check out our maintenance video for simple steps to ensure best drying performance. And because heat pump dryers use air and not heat to dry your clothes, be sure to clean out that lint filter after every use for the best performance. Now that we've seen how it works, let's dive into the real benefits: saving money, energy, and your favorite clothes. First, energy efficiency. By recycling warm air and using advanced compressors, LG ventless dryers significantly reduce energy consumption compared to conventional vented dryers. And LG consistently ranks among the most energy efficient options on the market. This saves you money on utility bills and reduces your environmental impact. All of LG's ventless laundry, as of this recording, is ENERGY STAR certified, with our newest options being 2024 most efficient. Next, let's talk fabric care. LG dryers use lower temperatures to prevent over drying, which keeps your clothes in great condition longer. Heat pump laundry also offers flexibility in placement, as they don't need to be on an outside wall for ventilation. And they operate so quietly with our low decibel technology, you don't need to worry about putting it anywhere where there might be a nap time happening. They're not going to wake anybody up. On top of that, LG's ventless laundry offers smart Wi-Fi capabilities with the ThinQ App. ThinQ puts control and convenience at your fingertips, so you can simplify life and enjoy the comforts of home. ThinQ lets you control your laundry and monitor the status of a cycle. ThinQ Care uses real-time usage data to deliver helpful reports, maintenance reminders, and proactive alerts to keep your appliances running at their best. ThinQ Up, also located in the ThinQ app, lets you customize your appliance the way you want through software updates sent right to your appliance. So you can change up the laundry done tone seasonally, or download our new pet care cycle. And ThinQ even lets you monitor the amount of energy used in your appliance. How cool is that? So, if you're ready to save energy, protect your clothes, and enjoy the best in dryer technology, make the switch to LG's heat pump dryers. Thanks for joining me in the LG Lab today, and I'll see you next time.